Hi, it's Jay Green with GW Private Capital here in Whittier, and I wanted to share with you a loan I just recorded today and funded, a $117,000 second mortgage. That money is to assist a property owner in East LA, recently been taken advantage of by an unscrupulous contractor. One of my flipper friends who was friends with this property owner brought me in to help, and I walked through the property about 2 weeks ago. I said, no problem, I can make the loan very easily. I didn't do an appraisal. There was a first mortgage of about $250,000 that the homeowners had taken out to do the work. They hired this contractor. He did a part of the work, took most of their money, and didn't finish the job. So these are scenarios where GW Private Capital is very strong in finishing construction projects, in flip projects, in buying investment properties here in Southern California. We will offer loans as small as $30,000. We can make the loans very quickly. Our fees are very fair. Sometimes I can even defer interest payments. Like in this case, the property owner isn't making any payments. They're just gonna pay me back the interest with the principal when they turn around and refinance it. The property work is done. And so if you're a property owner, a realtor, a flipper, investor that needs short-term private capital, keep us in mind. GW Private Capital here in Whittier, serving all of California. Commercial properties, industrial, apartments, ground-up construction, construction completion, fix and flip. We are very good at private lending. We've been doing this over 30 years. Please give me a call, 714-747-1912. And keep us in mind for your private hard money needs. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.